Today, we're learning about MyPlate. The sizes of the different food group portions on the plate signify the amounts that we should be having every day in our diet. Notice that fruits and vegetables take up about half of the plate. Eating a diet high in these can help reduce the risk for heart disease, and fun fact, they can both be eaten raw or cooked. Fruits are sources of many essential nutrients like dietary fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. The goal is to eat plenty of fruits of all colors and ultimately choose whole fruits or sliced fruits. You want to limit fruit juice to about 1 small glass per day. Vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories. They are important sources of nutrients including potassium, dietary fiber, folate, vitamin C, and vitamin A. Overall, the more veggies that you eat and the greater variety, the better for your health. So remember the protein video. The protein group provides nutrients that are vital for health and maintenance of your body, and they function as the building blocks. Varying your protein food choices can give you a range of those nutrients. So overall, choose beans and peas, nuts, seeds, and other plant-based healthy protein options, as well as fish, eggs, and poultry. They are sources of protein, B vitamins, vitamin E, iron, zinc, and magnesium. Try to limit your red meat consumption and avoid processed meats like bacon, deli meats, or sausages. Any food made from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or another cereal grain is considered a grain product. Examples are bread, pastas, breakfast cereals, grits, tortillas, rice, oatmeal, and more. At least half of the grains that you're consuming should be whole grains. Nutrients from whole grains include fiber, several B vitamins, and minerals like iron, and they can help support healthy digestion. Overall, the less processed grains, the better. Whole grains have a gentler effect on your blood sugar than refined grain. You might notice that the dairy food group is smaller than the other foods on our plate. Dairy foods are needed in smaller amounts than those other food groups. Consuming dairy products provides nutrients that improve bone health as well as maintain your overall health. Milk and other dairy products are a convenient source of calcium and vitamin D. So choose unflavored milk, plain yogurt, small amounts of cheese, and other unsweetened dairy foods. Although it's not explicitly stated on the MyPlate, it is also recommended to limit our daily intake of salt, added sugars, and solid fat in our diets. Go for natural alternatives like lemon juice, honey, and healthy oils like olive or canola oil. In addition to maintaining a healthy diet, we cannot leave out the importance of physical activity and playing a role in a healthy lifestyle. Now that we've learned why each group is important to include in our diets, let's go over the different examples that you may or may not be familiar with. So follow along. We'll start with one example from each group. In fruit, we have apples, carrots in the vegetable group, grilled chicken and protein, whole wheat pastas go in the grain group, and milk in the dairy. Now let's do more examples of each group individually. Different fruits can include oranges, pineapple, strawberry, cantaloupe, banana, grapes, avocado. Vegetables are red peppers, Swiss chard, broccoli, sweet potato, onion, eggplant, and leeks. Different protein examples could be eggs, assorted nuts, salmon, and steak, but limit this one as it's red meat. Grains could be oatmeal, brown rice, whole wheat bread, pita bread. And in the dairy group, more examples could be yogurt and cheeses. Now it's time to test your knowledge. Pause the video and pick what you think is the right answer. Then unpause the video for that answer. If you got it wrong, don't worry. We'll explain the answer once you unpause the video. You can always go back in the video to reference something if you need to. Let's get started. Which food group does this go in? Vegetables or fruits? The answer is vegetables. Lettuce is a part of the vegetable group. Which food group does this go in? Fruits or grains? The answer is fruit. Apples are part of the fruit food group. Which food group does this go in? Dairy or grains? The answer is grains. Whole wheat bread belongs in the grain group. Which food group does this one go in? Dairy or protein? The answer is protein. Eggs are complete animal-sourced protein and therefore belong in the protein group. Lastly, which food group does this go in? Vegetable or the dairy group? The answer is dairy. Cheese belongs in the dairy group. True or false? I should eat fruits and vegetables of different colors. True. Different colors represent different nutrients that your body needs. True or false? Fruits and vegetables should take up half of my plate. True. Fruits and vegetables make up about half of the MyPlate. Which is healthier, solid fat or liquid fat? The answer is liquid fats. Liquid fats like olive or canola oil are healthier options to use. Okay, last question. True or false? The MyPlate is a guideline to follow to maintain a healthy lifestyle. True. The MyPlate is a USDA guideline created to show us different ways that we can incorporate all of the food groups and exercise into our daily routines to maintain a healthy lifestyle. For a greater challenge, click the link in the description for a quiz on each food group.
Alright, great job everyone. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.